Right, this is my check-in, daily check-in. This is actually for day 17, but it's day 16, but it's got late. We finally got somewhere, managed to get all the project and layer information saved to the database. But in doing so, I broke a whole lot of things. So I'll have to fix that tomorrow. But let's upload an image. Let's do this one. And we will let's take the threshold down on this a bit. Remove some of that background. I've added a background layer now, so we can kind of you can visualize what color background you want your stencil to be on. So you might have it on a black background, for example. But for here, let's just pick anything. So do things still work? I hope so. Let's see if the islands still work. Islands still work. I know, unfortunately, I've broken the pen tool. No, I haven't. Pen tool still works. Okay, so that means we can still bridge right now. So if I zoom in, Photoshop keys. If I zoom in and start taking off chunks, you can see those islands in pink for this layer start getting removed. Another feature I've added, so if we actually, let me undo that. That's another feature I've added. I've kind of added an undo. I think this will be for the Pro. Let's bring the second layer in and let's just look at this layer. Let's have a look at the islands. All right, there's quite a few islands here, but you see this option here, remove covered areas. Now this will remove the covered areas from the layer above, or it can do it from all layers above. So this could potentially help with bridging, depending on the layer and the image. So if I don't remove it, that's how many bridges. That's where I'll need to make the bridges. I'll need to make a bridge here or here, and it's going to be a bit dodgy. It's going to look a bit odd. But if I see what is covered by the top area, if I remove that, so now what we could do is we could potentially bridge something here and then here, and this won't matter too much. So if we bring that back in, it's probably a better place to bridge things. It's like I said, it's not going to work everywhere. It's not going to be. You're still going to have to do a little bit of work, being creative and figuring out where you're going to bridge things. But I'm hoping this will help. It's helped me in a few situations. This isn't the image for it though. Yeah, so now we can, let me enable that. Let's take that off. Zoom out of that. And we'll go through that on another video. Let me save this, Nev, save it. Now Nev is here. What happened here, I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's the progress today. Happy about that. I know there's a whole load of broken things. There's a whole load of code that needs drying up, so I'll sort that out tomorrow. I'm glad this bit's done. I ended up making a whole load of functions within Superbase that cleaned up a lot of the logic in my code base, so I'm happy I made that move. what else happened? This project, I didn't plan out the UX properly. I went really fast, just building straight with AI, and it became really, really messy. So I had to spend quite a bit of time cleaning things up and reorganizing and getting my head around what everything is doing. But I think we're in a lot better place now. The UI needs a big cleanup. I've got some ideas about what I want it to look like. Not like this. But I'm happy. It's day 16, it will be day 17. I'll do some videos around the UX tomorrow. And tech stack maybe. Maybe it will be a video day tomorrow. It's Sunday tomorrow. I'm not sure how much work I'll get done. But yeah, cool. Overall, good day. I need to get to bed. Peace.